everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really fun, super quick video about mascara. I really wanted to make this video and share my absolute favorite lash mascara combo with you guys and also test it against the Drugstore dupes that a lot of people have been talking about. I wanted to do one eye with the high-end combo and one eye with the Drugstore combo. So you'll have to let me know down below which side you think is high-end and which side you think is drugstore, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. I love mascara. I love mascara videos, so I really wanted to share this with you. This is my holy grail mascara combination. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm excited about this video. So I wanted to share with you guys my favorite lash combo ever for mascara. So I tried this, I guess, a little over a year ago, and this combo is just the best. I've tried so many mascaras and I've tried some that I like, but nothing compares to this combo. And yes, it is on the pricier side. So today I thought what would be fun is I'll share my holy grail combo with you, and then I'm going to test the Drugstore dupes on the other eye that most people have said are comparable to these two that are my favorites. So the best lash combo ever that I have found is Benefit Roller Lash with Too Faced Better Than Sex on top. I don't know what it is about this combo, but this is just, to me, it just does not get better than this. So we're gonna do those two on my right eye, and we're gonna do the dupes on my left eye. So the dupes, which I have tried the dupes as well. I haven't tried them together, but I've tried them separately, and I do like them. And I would agree that they are similar to the Better Than Sex and the Roller Lash. So the dupes are the Lash Sensational by Maybelline and the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. We are going to do the high-end side first, and then we'll do the drugstore side over here, and we'll see if we see a difference. We are going to curl our eyelashes, like always, with my Surratt eyelash curler. This, like I've said before, is the best eyelash curler ever. You can get this at Sephora. I'm not sure where else I got mine at Sephora. I'm not sure why this is so good. Maybe it just fits my eye shape really well. I don't know. But if you are looking for a good curler, I would definitely suggest this one. Okay, so we're gonna do the right side first. We're gonna start with the roller lash. This is just a mini size. Also, something to note, I have all of these brand new. None of these have been used. So we're getting fresh tubes so we can really see if they're comparable or not. So we're gonna take roller lash first. This one is just a super lengthening mascara, and the wand is curved slightly, so I usually use the side that's curved upwards to push the lashes up. Alright, so there's the roller lash. Now we're gonna put the Better Than Sex on top. Something else that I do is I do one eye at a time when I do this, just because I don't want the mascara to have too much time to dry before I can get the other coat on top. So I would recommend doing one eye at a time. I know it's kind of tedious, but it is worth it to me. So here's the Better Than Sex wand. And this is definitely more for volume. You can see these are my eyelashes are pretty long right now. I use an eyelash growth serum, but this mascara just really, I don't know. This combo is just everything to me. Okay. So now we will do the other side. Let me just recurl this side real quick. Okay. So we'll take the Maybelline Lash Sensational first. And like I said, I've used this mascara by itself in the past and I liked it, but I've never layered it on top or on the bottom like I'm going to today. So and this wand is also slightly curved, just like the roller lash. Okay. And then we'll take the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I love eyelashes. I love mascara. Eyelashes just can change your whole face. They really can. I love them. That's why good mascara combos are important. So take Lash Paradise. So what do we think? I definitely have a first impression. So maybe it's just me, but I think the Drugstore side looks better. I mean, this side looks good too, but this one just seems to really be, I don't know, they're just, maybe it's the lashes over here are slightly longer than these. I don't know. But, I mean, is this not the best lash combo ever? I mean, to me, it's just, this is everything. I've never tried them side by side like this, so this is interesting to me. But I think this side looks fantastic. This side does too, but if you're not wanting to spend the money, obviously you can get a very, very similar, if not better, effect with the Drugstore versions. And also I would say if you want to try the high-end mascaras, but you know, are hesitant because of the price, get the mini sizes. Because I found a lot of times the minis honestly last just as long as the full sizes. And they're usually like half the price. So if you really want to try the high-end ones, but you don't want to spend a ton of money, then I would get the miniature sizes. And that way you're spending less, but you're still getting the high-end version. But these, definitely, if you are more into drugstore options, definitely try these two out together. Lash Sensational and then Lash Paradise on top. And let me know what you think, what kind of result that you get. But, I mean, I just think this is the best thing ever. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I know this was super short, but I just really wanted to share this lash combination with you guys. I just think Eyelashes make the biggest difference, and a good mascara is essential for me every day. So I wanted to share this combo with you guys. I hope you will try this out, either the high-end mascaras or the drugstore ones, and let me know what you think. I hope they work as well for you as they do for me. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you next time. Bye.